Go.
Hi guys, so welcome to my home slash mini store. So I will tour you in our mini store. So in this side you will see different types of vegetables.
What's that?
Sayote, cucumber, some
Patola.
bean, pechay, and banana heart. So we also have some
Fruits.
bananas and
Mangosteen, yeah. So
some here, onions and garlics and
oil.
eggs, oils and such. So in this part also have a hanging banana.
Yes,
Hanging banana, and here you will see some different types of banana
Pan.
And in here you will see different types of
Dried fish.
dried fish. So after that, let's go inside. Come here. So let's come inside. See here. So in this part, you will see some different types of beverages. We have Nature Spring or water, Coke, and don't forget the alcohols here. Here we have the sugars and such. And here you will see, you cannot see, but you will see some types of tang or powdered juice.
Yes.
Here are coffees, and we have some hanging chips. There are different types of chips, different sizes. So here also we have some healthy drinks like Milo, milk, and such. Same here. And so in this part you will see some what you call that, easy to cook food.
Processed food, no.
Dili processed food.
Ah, hindi.
Hotdog man.
Ah,
So you will see some easy to cook food like pancit canton, takimi noodles, and here si tawagan kanina.
pitsin or Ajinomoto seasoning.
You will see some Ajinomoto seasoning.
Yes.
Here. So
So,
if your body is aching or what,
We have
There's a
a
plus.
alcohol and efficacent. Yes.
Yes.
They have 3 efficacent type. Manzanilla, medificient oil or methica, salicate,
and tawas for your smelly
or
armpit.
underarm. Yes. Or deodorant, but it's tawas.
Tawas.
So this side.
In this side, so you will see also some snacks like
Yes.
Rishi, Rinby, Nova, different types of
Then-
chips. And here, the lata or canned foods.
Canned foods. Yeah.
Like-
We have a
We have Lucky 7, Wow Ulam.
yes, fresca
and
tuna,
Carne
yes,
Norte.
bingo, Argentina,
Yes.
and
Here,
above we have
necessities.
Mm.
Necessities like pampers, napkins, lighters, and tamtaks and such. And lastly, so we have a Wi-Fi bando
yes,
entitled De La Serna Wi-Fi. And we have also some rice.
or takatakal rice.
Yes, taka-taka rice, cup rice. Kasi makita mo nga.
Wala, di man.
Yan. So, okay na. So, here in the Philippines, people here prepare to buy kilo rice than to buy a sack of rice. So, we have this
Over there.
So, in here, in this part, so we have some Downies, some
Colgate, toothpaste, like
toothpaste, powders, bar soap, and some Sundrox, like different types of powders. Shampoos. We have also butane for cooking,
yes.
like mini stove in here in the
lang.
So, here in the Philippines, instead of going to the gas station, people prepare to use or to buy some takal-takal gas. So, this one is full gas and this one is half gas.
So, how price is
This one is 30 pesos and this
half gas?
half gas,
Yes, half
which
gas.
is 30 pesos, and
And
this one is full, which is 60 pesos
60
here.
pesos only, guys.
So, hi guys. So, before we end this video, let me show you how I eat sa mangosteen. Yeah, you open that one, yeah, like that. And you see that it's so matamis or sweet.
Yes.
Ay, pukit.
Okay.
Aslum. Sour.
Ano ka sweet? Nga na sour naman na.
Sour siya, guys. So sour.
Okay.
This one, it has a big, bone. Bone? Seed. Bye! Thank you for watching. Hi! Ay, thank you for watching. So, I'm Precious.
Gagod! Di na kainin kayo siya.
Usap!
Sige na, patayin lang.
So, bye guys. I'm Precious. See you next
Video. Yeah.